Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Today I'm doing a quick review of this solid wood 6-drawer dresser. And first, I'm going to start with the unboxing. So if you are shopping for this dresser, you'll have a better idea of what to expect when you take everything out of the box. This dresser ships in 2 boxes, so we'll open this long and flat one first. Right on top are the 6 drawer backs. Here are 2 out of the 6 drawer fronts. Here are 2 out of the 6 drawer bottoms. Here are the 6 drawer supports. And here's the dresser top. The solid wood material is sturdy, and you can feel the sturdiness with the weight of the top. Here's the plastic back panel divider. Here are the remaining 4 drawer fronts. Here is the bottom cross support piece. And finally, here are the remaining 4 out of the 6 drawer bottoms. Here are the 2 back panels for the dresser. Now let's open box number 2. Right on top is the instruction manual. Here are 4 middle cross supports. Here is the right side panel of the dresser. Here are the right drawer sides. And here are the left drawer sides. Here's the box of hardware. Here's the left side panel. And finally, here is the center panel of the dresser. So now that you're unboxed and ready to assemble your dresser, one of the tips to assembling this dresser is to build as much of it as you can on an elevated work table, as I'm doing here. Much of the assembly can be completed on a table such as this, without you having to kneel and be hunched over for an extended period. This will help make the assembly process much smoother and more comfortable. And if you plan on using a battery-powered drill to assemble the dresser, make sure to use it on its lowest setting to avoid damaging the parts or stripping the screws. And the last tip is to assemble the drawers first before assembling the main dresser cabinet. The repeated process of building 6 drawers in a row will get you into a good workflow. And on top of that, assembling the drawers first can provide you with more floor space to build if you are assembling in a room that is limited in space. So if space is limited, simply build the drawers first, then move them out of the room so that you have space to build the main dresser cabinet. Now, to quickly review this solid wood shaker style dresser, my initial reaction after the assembly is that this dresser is of excellent quality. Crafted from 100% solid pine wood, this dresser is built to last, and the sturdy construction ensures that this piece will be a statement in your bedroom for years to come. Each dresser is truly one of a kind, with natural wood grain variations that ensure no 2 pieces are exactly alike, so your dresser will be as unique as your style. With its elegant shaker style and replaceable metal knobs, this dresser seamlessly fits into any home decor, whether you're aiming for a rustic charm or a modern flair. The dresser also features 6 spacious 6.5-inch deep drawers with metal glides and offers ample storage for all your clothing and personal items, so you can organize with ease and keep your bedroom clutter-free. And choosing this dresser means making an eco-friendly choice. Made from wood sourced from renewable forests, it has minimal impact on the environment, making it a sustainable piece for a sustainable future. Now, as for the assembly, it took about 3 hours to complete from unboxing to assembly using an electric drill. However, the assembly can be done with a screwdriver to tighten all the screws. But for the average person, I'd say you can expect anywhere between 4 and 5 hours for the assembly. Of course, depending on your skill set, your experience, and the tools you use. The instruction manual is pretty straightforward too, and all the hardware comes pre-organized, which means you won't have to do any sorting or organizing yourself before the assembly. But overall, I really like this shaker style dresser and would highly recommend it to anyone looking for a true solid wood piece that is durable, unique, and environmentally friendly. So go ahead, check it out, and happy shopping.